Example 3. Ultraviolet light of wavelength 1500 angstrom is incident on a metal whose work function is 5 electron volt. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electrons emitted. Since the wavelength of light is given, which is 15 into 10 power minus 8, because 1500 angstrom, so we can write it as 15 into 10 power minus 8. And the work function of wave metal also given, which is 5 electron volt. So we need to calculate the maximum kinetic energy. So we know, according to Einstein equation of photoelectric effect, kinetic energy is equal to energy of light minus work function. So energy of light is hc by lambda minus work function. So hc value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 by lambda is 15 into 10 power minus 8. Let us express this in terms of electron volt. So I will divide with 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 electron volt minus 5 electron volt. So what we get? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to 0.827 into 10 power 1 electron volt minus 5 electron volt. So kinetic energy is equal to 8.27 electron volt minus 5 electron volt. So finally we'll get 3.27 electron volt. So that is the kinetic energy.